Well, can you imagine being rewarded for the things you already do on social media? Well, friends, that time has come as Insta Explosion is a loyalty program for social media users. And Sir Marco Robinson, co founder and CEO of Insta Explosion, joined ISF to show us how it works.
Sir Marco Robinson, welcome to ISF.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. This is so exciting to talk to you because first and foremost, congratulations. You've just been named Entrepreneur of the Year. I'm like clapping all around for that. Congrats. And not only that, you're a best-selling author, you're a serial entrepreneur. Also, you're an expert in reward programs. And it felt time to bring that system into Instagram, and you created Insta Explosion. Can you tell us what it is and how it works?
I will. So if you think about Instagram, it's got 2 billion users. It's one of the biggest platforms in the world. But one of the problems with Instagram is it's not very easy to get your followers' email address and take them off the platform so you can keep in constant contact with your potential client. If Instagram goes down, if your account is hacked, which have been many recently, you lose all your following. So I and my partner created a way. My partner is Simon Hearn, who's the technical person in this. We found a way where we created a loyalty card which could actually go into your phone wallet and could actually track the points that your follower would earn by commenting on your posts. Now, this loyalty card, they have to give their email address to actually get it. So it's a way to automatically retrieve the email addresses from your followers, number one. Second problem is engagement. How do you get noticed when people are following thousands of people? So I've been in rewards for many years, and loyalty and rewards is a game changer. But Instagram didn't really have one. So what I did is I created a program where every time someone comments on your post, they get a reply automatically, but also they get points. If they mention you, they get points. And what that means is they can redeem those points for books, masterclasses, up to 90% discount from luxury vacations. And you can actually white label your own products and services into those points products. Now, what that does, it enables your follower to anticipate your content. And so you stand out from the noise because they know when your content appears, when they engage with you, they're going to get rewarded for it. So that was a big, huge deal for us. And I've been really looking to do that for 10 years. And only in the last year, the technology was available to do that.
That's incredible, because nowadays everyone's on Instagram. So this is like a give back for those who are using the application, which is amazing. And I love a good reward program. Now, tell me, what's the best use to make Insta Explosion? Because, a lot of people post daily. Is there like a restriction on things when you go on Insta Explosion?
Okay, so yeah, I mean, there's no limit to the content, but we do limit 5 comments a day per post. So we limit it within the algorithm. And the other thing to note is that we are approved through ManyChat. So there's a company called ManyChat and Mobile Monkey, which are the approved automation partners for Instagram and Facebook. So we've aligned with ManyChat and we use their platform. We coded our unique way of doing it, but we are approved to be able to do that, if that makes sense.
Yeah. Wow. I wish I can talk to you for hours regarding this, but if people want to know more information, where can they go and how can they download the app?
Go to our website, createdemand.ai. Createdemand.ai. And you will see there's three opportunities. It's subscription based. It's very affordable, from $38 a month. And in our mid-level, $97 a month, they also get an automation suite where if you've got ClickFunnels, if you've got CRM, if you've got website builders, we bundle all that software and you can get all the software you'll ever need for $97 a month plus the rewards. So it's going to save you from $300 to $500 a month, the average business user. And this is for Instagram users, micro-influencers, small businesses, large corporations, it doesn't matter.
Get on it, get on Insta Explosion. Thank you so much, Sir Marco Robinson.
You're most welcome. Thank you so much.